Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to our channel Pharmacy D. We are again with another video about a diagnostic test, which is the complete blood count or CBC. A complete blood count (CBC) is a series of tests used to evaluate the composition and concentration of the cellular components of blood. A complete blood count test measures several components and features of your blood, including the number of red blood cells (RBCs), the number of white blood cells (WBCs), the total amount of hemoglobin in the blood, the fraction of the blood composed of red blood cells (hematocrit), the mean corpuscular volume (MCV), the size of the red blood cells. CBC also includes information about the red blood cells that is calculated from the other measurements: MCH, mean corpuscular hemoglobin; MCHC, mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration. The platelet count is also usually included in the CBC. The purpose to perform CBC. The CBC provides valuable information about the blood and to some extent the bone marrow, which is the blood forming tissue. The CBC is used for the following purposes: as a preoperative test to ensure both adequate oxygen carrying capacity and hemostasis, to identify persons who may have an infection, to diagnose anemia, to identify acute and chronic illness, white blood cell disorders such as leukemia, to monitor treatment for anemia and other blood diseases, to determine the effects of chemotherapy and radiation therapy on blood cell production. Now, let's discuss the normal values of blood cells. Red blood cell count. In males, the value ranges from 4.35 to 5.65 trillion cells per liter. In females, 3.92 to 5.13 trillion cells per liter. WBC count: 3.4 to 9.6 billion cells per liter. Hematocrit. In males, the normal value ranges from 38.3 to 48.6%. In females, 35.5 to 44.9%. Hemoglobin count. In male, the value lies between 13.2 to 16.6 grams per deciliter. In females, 11.6 to 15 grams per deciliter. Now, platelet count. In males, 135 to 317 billion per liter. In females, 157 to 371 billion per liter. The important question is, what abnormal results mean? Abnormal increases or decreases in cell counts as revealed in a complete blood count may indicate that you have an underlying medical condition that calls for further evaluation. High numbers of RBCs may indicate low oxygen tension in the blood, congenital heart disease, cor pulmonale, pulmonary fibrosis, polycythemia vera, kidney disease with high erythropoietin production. Low numbers of RBCs may indicate blood loss, anemia, hemorrhage, leukemia, malnutrition, especially of folic acid and vitamin B12. Low numbers of WBCs or leukopenia may indicate bone marrow failure, presence of cytotoxicity, autoimmune diseases, disease of liver and spleen. High number of WBCs, leukocytosis may indicate infectious disease, inflammatory disease like arthritis and gout, leukemia, tissue damage like burns. Low hematocrit may indicate anemia, blood loss, bone marrow failure, leukemia, specific nutritional deficiency, rheumatoid arthritis. High hematocrit may indicate dehydration, burns, diarrhea, polycythemia vera, low oxygen tension. Low hemoglobin values may indicate anemia that can be of various types, blood loss, any infectious disease. A complete blood count is typically not a definitive diagnostic test. Depending on the reason your doctor recommended this test, results outside the normal range may or may not require follow-up. The test may be performed under many different conditions and in the assessment of many different diseases. That's all about CBC. If you like our video, then please share it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe it for more videos like this. Thank you.